What are solid walls with echo? No.
You will not get it.
Really?
Oh. You will get wet.
No, there are spots. In those spots, rain is not falling. You understand? See that spot. This spot, no rain.
Yeah.
Like this. You need to stand here and take the picture.
But how come he's not getting wet also?
See, this spot, there is a no rain.
Yeah.
You need to take photo from there.
No, it's like censored.
Huh?
Censored.
Huh?
It's censored.
That's a sensor.
See? You'll not get wet. It's censored. Nice. I guess you need to start from here or something.
Wonderful picture. Look.
We got wet, but at least not that much. It's tolerable. It's time to dry out. Then we're good to go. Dahil nabasa kami.